Morning, today is March 9th, 2026, and Edison and I are here at
Blizzard Beach.
Blizzard Beach again. Oh my goodness, there's actually media activity today. Please be advised that there is approved filming in the water park today.
What does that mean?
Oh man, if you look right here, Slush and Gusher is closed again today. So if you guys remember, last time I was here, I scraped both of my feet and Edison scraped. What'd you scrape? I forgot. Was it your knee?
I didn't scrape anything.
You didn't scrape anything. It was just me.
What have you done?
When I scraped my toes on the slide, and it was bleeding.
Oh yeah, I didn't scrape anything.
But Edison, thankfully, didn't scrape anything. I just saw a sign for Joffrey's. I have to show you. I'm sorry, but this is the best sign I've ever seen. Ah, look at that. That's so cute. Look at the Minnie Mouse towel. Oh, goodness. And she's up here drawing Olaf today. So our friends said they are currently in Tykes Peak, sitting under the canopy, waiting on us. So let's go see our friends.
Yar.
Yar. You guys are in my case, and now we are going into the lazy river. Met up with my friends, Sasha and Rob.
The one is more better, trust me.
Look. Whee! Got all my friends.
Go.
We're about to go over a huge waterfall, aren't we?
What?
Yep. Ah!
Swim underwater like you did.
Alrighty, so now we are in Volcano. On the lazy river. Hours. I'm over here with Evie. Yes. Edison. Currently it is 77 degrees here in Bay Lake, and it is nice though. 77 is a little chillier for me and for my liking, but I can deal with it. Addison. Oh, this is Ice Skater's home. Uh-oh. Am I gonna get sneezed on? Uh-oh. Alright, now I can go. Sasha just came back
Ice cream bucket.
with an ice cream bucket.
Holy moly.
Can I have some?
Yes.
Woo, Addison! And one more time he goes down. Woo! Good job, Addison! Addison, are you stuck? Go, Addison! That's all for us here at Blizzard Beach today. We are gonna go home now, shower, go pick up some children, and tonight we will go see Simple Plan and a bumblebee. But tonight we're gonna go see Simple Plan at Epcot, which will be in a separate video. But thanks for joining us today here at Blizzard Beach.